Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about geometric progression. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we know that the sum of n terms of geometric progression that should be about Hn equals to a number 1, that is about the first term multiplied by 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. Next, b is the product of the n terms, so we have a number 1 multiplied by a number 1 r, a1 r square, and so on in here until the term of an, that's about a number 1 r to the power of n minus 1. So if we simplify everything in here, we have a1 to the power of n because we have n terms in here. This one about r, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on until n minus 1. So we have the formula in here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on until capital M. So that is about m multiplied by m plus 1 over number 2. And now we need to change capital M into n minus 1. So this one we have like this. So if we simplify and we have n in here because 1 minus 1 they cancel. Now let's go to the next one. Capital R, that is about the sum of reciprocal. So in this situation, the reciprocal that is about 1 over a number 1 plus 1 over a1r plus 1 over a1r square and so on until 1 over a number 1 r to the power of n minus 1. So in this situation, we can use the formula in here, but now we change into the fraction. Next, we need to prove about this one. So I will put everything go in here. About h, that is about this one. About r, that is about this one. About b, that is about this one. And now we need to prove this one equals to this one. So for this one, I will multiply by r on numerator and denominator. So r multiplied by number 1 and 1 minus r. So we have 1 minus r. This one is about r minus 1. So I will put the negative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 minus r. because we just change the sign of r minus 1 into 1 minus r. And now we can simplify 1 minus r in here. Next, this one, that is about 1 over r to the power of n. And now number 1, we can put about r to the power of n over r to the power of n. Now we do common denominator. So negative will change the sign of r to the power of n minus 1 into 1 minus r to the power of n. And now we simplify. So a1 and r to the power of n will go to here. And we have a1 square r to the power of n over r. And this one we can simplify, and that is about a1 square r to the power of n minus 1. And now n multiplied by n minus 1 and number 2. So we have a number 1 to the power of 2n, and we have r to the power of n multiplied by n minus 1. And now we go to the second one in here. So we have number 2 multiplied by this one and this one. And now we have same with this one. And we can see that they are the same. This is the end. Thank you for watching.